Hey everyone, Pharaoh Silver here, and this is another Atlas Earth update. It's going to actually be a medley of updates I'm going to be talking about, mostly involving Atlas Earth, but also with my channel as well, having to do a bit of a runaround here as I wasn't planning a video, but then I got hit with an update that came out tonight, and I need to get a quick video on it as we have a Discord announcement and an Atlas Earth update that we need to go over from Atlas Earth. I actually wasn't really planning another Atlas Earth video after the one I did last week because, as y'all know, I've been trying to get back to alternating Atlas Earth, non-Atlas Earth videos, but when a big update comes out, I have to talk about it. After all, it is one of the top earning apps out there and is firing up regular, roughly monthly, slightly more than monthly updates, whereas other earning apps that make you more than pennies anyway, you're lucky if you get an update worth talking about once a year. So with that, if you like videos like this, please. Also, I have not quite figured out a way to integrate this video, this little subscribe button that you saw here, with the hype feature. So don't forget to hype. Swipe left on the comments if you are using mobile. The hype button should be there. Click on hype, and that should take care of the hype button for you. And that will help me out big time if you do that. Okay, so first off, I went ahead and I resized the Atlas Earth screen here because I wanted you to see that something has changed a little bit from the previous update. And if you notice on the bottom two on the left there, what used to be called Shop and Inventory, it is now Shop and Earn. So if you're wondering what that's about, if you ever go on the browser app, you would see the free bucks and buy bucks options. Well, that's basically what this is, where you have a buy bucks and a free bucks option, the buy bucks being called shop here and the free bucks being called earn. So if we go to shop tab now, you will see that we have the ability to buy parcels, we have the passport badges, and we have the legendary parcel upgrades. And this is where all the stuff you want to buy, either with Atlas bucks or with actual cash, well, they're all here for you on the shop. Now, to earn stuff like, watching an ad and all that, you're going to go to earn, and here you will see the ability to earn. You have the Atlas Arcade, Survey Bucks, Atlas Travel, and watching an ad. The Atlas Shopping, the Tesoro XP is going to be coming very, very soon, is what I've heard. It will be turned on with, I'm not quite sure, I don't have an exact date, but I've just heard it's going to be very, very soon. So I admit that's going to be a bit of a change in conditioning for me, especially since I always tap the leftmost tab when I want to watch an ad. Now I have to tap the second leftmost tab, so there's going to be a bit of a difference there. It's going to take some getting used to. This is mostly for organizational purposes, and if you're wondering where the inventory is, well, you're going to go here to Profile, and you're going to press this bag to the right of View Passport. And there you will see your inventory, and there you'll see your legendary parcel upgrades and your diamond. Now, if we go back to the earn, you have noticed, and we've talked about this already, Atlas Shopping is off. And as I've talked about here, Tesoro is going to be turning on very soon, but I did want to add this additional comment that it is very likely I will be on vacation at the time that Tesoro officially turns on. Now, I'm going to try my best to give you that update exactly when Tesoro turns on, but because I'm going to be on vacation, I can't promise that I'm going to be able to. However, Bronze Dragon Gaming and myself will be restarting our podcast series, and the first episode for that podcast series will be talking about our thoughts on Tesoro XP. That should be around the middle of April is what I'm hoping for. I'm trying to set up the logistics behind how we're going to do this, but I'm just waiting for his approval. If he likes my idea, then, I'm not going to say what the idea is, but if he likes it, then we're going to roll with that. So, like I said, I'm just getting some stuff set up there, getting some logistics. Also, a big Discord announcement. Atlas Reality is setting up an all-day event called Atlas Racer Open House. They've recruited volunteers from various minigame groups to walk you through Atlas Racer and share their experience learning to play. So this will be your chance to see this in action and hear real players navigate it for the first time. And of course, ask all the questions you want, and will be taking place during the minigame. So go check that out, and I am going to try to pop in here and there when I can. Now, for the Asia-Oceania side, if I get up early enough, I should be able to make the end of that event, but I can't really make any promises, as your event starts at 4 a.m. Eastern my time and ends at 6 a.m. So unless they're planning on making this a 3-hour event, it's going to be a little difficult for me to show up, but I'm going to try to get up at 5:30 for it. I will make the other 3 regional events, however, for sure. I'll show up for the Europe one on my lunch break. Yeah, Monday's a work day after all. And then, of course, I'll be there for the South America and North America events at 5 and 7 Eastern. Now I'm going to plan to only be around for about half an hour for each one, except for the North America event. I'm going to be around for most of that one, is what I'm hoping for. We'll see what happens. Also, during the event on Monday, you will have a chance to win 1,000 Atlas bucks, the equivalent of 10 parcels. All you have to do is finish 321st place on Monday's Racer event and drop a screenshot of your final rank in the Discord's contest channel. Do refer to your phone's guide on how to take said screenshot in case you're wondering how. There's so many models I couldn't even begin to tell you. I've been hearing like so many different ways that they create the screenshot, but for example, I myself just recently moved from a Samsung Galaxy S23 to a Google Pixel 10, and I've been struggling on figuring out how the screenshots work on mine. But either way, make sure you get the snapshot and upload it if you hit 321st place over to Discord, and you can collect 1,000 Atlas bucks. Finally, during the event on Monday at 5 p.m. Eastern or thereabouts will be the next video for this channel, and it's going to be a big one. I'm finally going to reveal what I've been working on the last few months with the little bit of spare time that I've had to do it. So don't miss it. All right? It's going to be huge, and yes, it has to do with that app I've been talking about. So with that is the video. This was just a quick mishmash of updates for y'all. A lot of big stuff happening on Monday, March 30th. Hope y'all like that. If you do like the video, drop on by Discord too, and I'll be there for about half of an hour or so. Again, as I said, during the 3 main events, and of course North America, I'll be there for most of it. And yeah, that's pretty much it, everyone. So shout out as well to my Beer Money Insiders, Disturbed Doge, Josh42, Kristen O'Neill, Ashley Stanfield, the T99 Sogwolf, and Board Game Sports Network. Now, if you want to check out a couple more videos, I have 2 more videos that the algorithm seems to like for you. One that's best and one that's most recent on either side, the left and right respectively. I am Pharaoh Silver, signing off. I will see you all Monday. Bye, everybody.